Hello, what's up all? Welcome back again to our channel, All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So as you can see on the screen, I have these boards prepared and the diameter is 16 inches, and I have these pieces of wood that I'm going to be cutting, and this is the tool that I'm going to be using, a jigsaw. So let's start the video.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say.
Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always watching our videos. We really do appreciate your continued support. So here I'm just preparing the pieces of wood before I start making the furniture that I'm going to be making today, and I'm going to be making two pieces of it. So make sure to stay tuned till the end of the video so that you can see all the steps, all the materials that I've used in this video today. So here now I'm just showing you how I did make the circles that I showed you. That is the 16 inches, but this one is 14 inches. So I'm going to be cutting two of them because the furniture pieces that I'm going to be making are two of them. Yeah, so this is me cutting them. And after a while, I'm done cutting all the pieces of wood that I had, the circles and those pieces of wood. I also did cut these small ones off camera. So now I'm just going to start joining the pieces together. So make sure to watch the video till the end. That is, if you want to try something like this on your own at home, these are the steps, and this is just how you make this piece of furniture. Anyway, if this is the kind of content that you like, kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. Yeah, and if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome in our channel. Yeah, feel at home, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And finally, as you can see on the screen, I'm done making all the two pieces of furniture. These are the structures. This is how the shape that I wanted is. So now I'm just done. What is remaining for me is to cover these pieces of wood, and then I'm going to be putting a foam on top of it before covering it with the fabric that we did choose. And then for the bottom part, that part that you see, that it will act as the legs for this one, and I'm going to be wrapping it with a golden strap that I had. It has its own gum, so it's just, or glue, I don't know what you call it, but you will just see me wrapping it around it. Anyway, if you have watched this video till this far and you haven't liked it or commented on it, kindly do so. Take this time to like it, and I will really do appreciate that. Thank you so much. Wait for the final reveal so that you can tell me in the comment section what you think about this video and these pieces of furniture that I did make today. Thank you so much.